Alright, how's it going, percussion and band friends? This is a video of a clamp that I created for this auxiliary percussion cart. So I'm using 1.5" square tubing, and basically I'm going to cut a gap in the tubing to create clearance . And I know I probably shouldn't be grinding right next to that wood pile, but you know, that's how I'm rolling right now. And then I cut another line all the way down the side of the tubing, but I don't cut on the very back. So basically a T shape in the metal tubing. I'm gonna pull out this excess material here in the middle, which creates that gap. Going to grind down all the edges because I don't want to have anything on there that would cut the students or cut anybody that would be working on it. But I also need a really, really clean surface to do the weld. So I take 1/4" angle iron, and I'm going to weld a piece to each side. I probably should be wearing long sleeves too, but you know, it's hot outside in Florida. Little sparks, no big deal. Gonna weld the back side of the angle. Probably this is the part of the weld that really holds it together. Those top welds on the angle iron are just kind of tacking it in place. Now, after I finish these welds, I'm going to grind down the extra material on the L brackets so they're not sticking out wider than the square tubing. Probably should move my ground clamp to the bottom side here so I don't catch it. Yeah, always could get better at this stuff. Alright, there we go. So now I took an eye bolt and I drilled a hole obviously through the angle iron, and then I put the eye bolt through, and I'm going to weld the bolt on the end to the angle iron so it stays stationary. And then I'm going to weld the bolt, or the nut, to the eye bolt, so that the bolt on the eye bolt side will actually turn but not work its way back. Okay, so what that does is when I tighten it down, it allows the 1.25" to grip, or the 1.5" tubing to grip onto the 1.25" tubing. So, and this could be used for 1,000 different things, but again, I'm using this for this auxiliary car. You can see I've got it set up for you guys. You can see how it works, but I mean, it is strong. I use that eye bolt so you can actually stick a drumstick in there and adjust the cart up and down. So that is the clamp for this build. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like my video, forward it along to people that you think may be able to utilize this. Again, you could use this for a marimba cart. You can do this for a drum set cart. You can add it to prop carts. I mean, it makes a really, really easy way to create a clamp and make your the height or whatever it is that you're doing adjustable. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed it.